Hello, ladies. What if I told you you can take a picture of inside of your refrigerator, upload it into an AI tool, and it can give you meal suggestions? Game changer. Hi, my name is Shay Jackson, and my mission is to educate and empower women who are interested in learning and leveraging AI tools. In today's AI test drive video, we will be reviewing Healthy Chef. Yes, I have a picture that I got off the internet, and we are going to see if it can truly look at what's inside of my refrigerator and give me meal suggestions based on prompts that I give it. Let's dive in. All right, ladies, let's dive in. We will be using Healthy Chef. It is a GPT. Now, let me preface this by saying you have to have the pro version or the plus version in order to use this GPT. If you have the free version of ChatGPT, and you'll know if you look in the top left-hand corner, it says ChatGPT 3.5, then you have the free version. I have it's called either the pro or the plus version. And so as we go along and I do AI test drives, different GPTs, and also in using ChatGPT, if you believe it will be beneficial for you to get the plus version, then, go ahead and it will give you access to a higher powered ChatGPT, and also you will have access to different customized GPTs. But for now, your girl is going to dive in and see if Healthy Chef is really a healthy chef, okay? Oh, and one of the things that I did want to say is for the plus version, I pay $20 a month, which isn't bad. So let's start. I have uploaded the contents of my refrigerator, and here's what it looks like. Okay, I have meat. It looks like salmon, strawberries, yogurt, eggplant, tomatoes, broccoli, peppers, carrots, radishes, meat. Now listen, I don't know if you're supposed to have meat exposed and open like that. I digress. We're here to test drive Healthy Chef, so let's dive in. Okay, so I'm going to say using this image, can you suggest a quick 30-minute meal? Okay, and let's see what Healthy Chef comes up with. Oh, a sausage and vegetable tray bake. So it sees the sausage. Yes, I have vegetables. This dish would include the sausages as the protein, complemented by a colorful selection of vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and tomatoes. This combination provides a balanced meal rich in vitamins, fiber, and protein. Okay. Recipe description. Come on. With the recipe description, it tells you to season the food. It gives you the degrees to preheat the oven in Fahrenheit and Celsius, how long to cook it, and also the nutritional information. Very impressed. And y'all, not only that, do y'all see it gives you a picture? Okay. All right, Healthy Chef. Okay. So let's try another prompt. I'm going to say, can you suggest a meal for finicky? Oh, and let me just make sure that it understands I'm using the picture. Using the picture above, can you suggest a meal for finicky eaters? Oh, we're going to say finicky kids. Oh, okay. So what it did was it used the tray bake, the sausage and vegetable tray bake, in order to come up with the colorful sausage and veggie skewers. Okay, so then that means what I need to do is add my picture again because it didn't remember, because it generated a picture using Dolly. It didn't think of or remember the picture that I uploaded. So I'm going to upload it again and then re-ask the question after it creates this image. Okay, that looks good too. That looks good. I don't eat meat. I only eat seafood and vegetables. So, but hey, for those of you who eat sausage, here you go. Here's a meal using two meals actually using sausage and vegetables. Okay, awesome. And also, if you like this healthy chef, you can, and I'll put it in the description box, a link to Danny Acosta, and he says to follow him or her on Twitter. So let me upload my refrigerator picture again and re-ask the question. Okay, I have uploaded my picture, so I'm going to re-ask this, but instead of saying using the picture above, I'm going to say using the attached picture. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste that and put using the picture, attached picture. Can you suggest a meal for finicky kids? Because sometimes you run out of suggestions. Okay, the colorful mini sausage and veggie pizzas. So one of the things that I think I need to do, and I'm going to ask it again, is I'm going to put, please ignore all previous instructions. So one of the things about the large learning model, what it does is it remembers what was previously said. So for instance, when I said using the picture above, as opposed to referencing the picture that I attached, it thought about the Dolly picture that it created. Okay, so what I'm going to say is, okay, it's creating a picture. After it does that, because listen, I can't feed my kids, even though I don't have small kids, I can't feed my kids sausage and vegetables every day. I need something else, Healthy Chef. So I'm going to attach my picture again and say, please ignore all previous instructions. And that way, or what I could do is ask for it to use the chicken like I used the chicken to see what it will create for me. It seems like it may be taking a few moments. So I'm going to put it on pause and then I'll come back once it has filled everything out. Okay, it's been a couple of moments and it's not generating a picture, which is okay. We don't need a picture. So I'm going to stop it, and this stops the prompt from continuing, and I am going to look and ask, I'm going to ask Healthy Chef, can you create a meal using chicken? Oh, can you create a meal? Oh, let me see. Using the picture attached. Can you create a Mediterranean? Now, if I don't spell this right on live, y'all forgive me. You see? It's all right. Mediterranean dish using chicken. And I wonder if every time that I'm asking about the picture in my refrigerator, the food contents in my refrigerator, if I have to continue to upload it, because as you see, it will generate a picture using Dolly, which is the picture like GPT of OpenAI, but I don't want it to reference that. I want it to reference the picture that I upload. So it looks like that I would have to continue to, if I want to look at the contents of my refrigerator for Healthy Chef to make some suggestions, then I would have to upload it each time if it creates a picture. Okay, and it says Mediterranean chicken and veggie skillet. Okay. Oh, so it's saying while chicken is invisible in the fridge, we'll assume you have some on hand. Okay, let's go over here and look. Now, I think this is chicken, but I think it's not visible enough for it to see it. And so then that brings me to, I wonder if that's why it continues to suggest sausage, because you see the sausage links here, and also there's some in the drawer. I think this is salmon like I mentioned before, but because it isn't as visible as it should be or as I need it to be, then it won't give me other protein options. And you see it said, girl, you don't have it in your refrigerator, but we're thinking you have some on hand. Okay. That was funny. And look at the meal. That's pretty nice. So I'm going to ask if it can create any type of dessert or drink with the food contents that are in my refrigerator. So let me attach the picture again, and we'll see what dessert or what drink it comes up with. Okay, using the attached picture, can you suggest any dessert or drink options? Okay, it says berry yogurt parfait and carrot orange smoothie. Y'all, don't look at my face because I don't know if that might be good. I don't know. The berry yogurt parfait, yes. The carrot orange smoothie, I like carrots. I don't know. I've never had carrots and oranges together. I have had carrots in smoothies and drinks. I've had oranges before, but not together. So that is pretty interesting. Okay, it tells about the berry yogurt parfait, how you should make it. Very good layer, strawberries with plain or vanilla yogurt and a sprinkle of granola. Okay, nice. Ooh, very good. And I'm going to scroll up a little bit. Okay, let's look at this carrot and orange smoothie, y'all. Combine fresh carrots and any citrus juice available. The fridge shows a bottle that could be orange juice. Baby, let's look. Oh, maybe on the side, because you see it has this orange right here, and it may be detecting that. Y'all, that's pretty cool. Okay, along with strawberries for sweetness and a touch of yogurt for creaminess. Blend until smooth. This smoothie is rich in vitamins A and C and is a delicious way to stay hydrated. Wow. And then this picture is everything. For real. That looks very yummy. And that is it for the AI test drive today. In today's video, we did a test drive of Healthy Chef, and I'll give it a 4.5. Now, the only reason that I wouldn't give it a 5 is because I had to keep uploading my picture, and maybe that's just the user and not necessarily the GPT, but I would have liked for it to be as simple as me uploading my picture of what's in my refrigerator and continuing to ask questions. So if there was a way that there weren't pictures that were created, but I guess you may need them just to kind of see what it looks like. But those pictures are what forces me to have to keep uploading the picture. But I will. Danny Acosta, very good. I give it a 4.5. And that is it, ladies. Talk to you later.